Who wants to listen to some weird, funny sounds by Paul Bell? The sounds that's very weird, and yes, I have to say they're very weird sounds, and I think you should guys think they're very good sounds. They're my very hard work, and I've been. Oh, I sound like a chicken.